Hello, in this video we're going to unbox the Toad 11 wireless mouse. Let's take a quick look at what information we have in the box itself. It says it has a firm grip, superior accuracy and 100% freedom. It runs on 2.4 GHz wireless capacity, which is great. It means it's compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, almost everything. What else? What other information do we have here? Let's see. The overall shape is full with 3D ergonomic design, which looks pretty sleek. As you can see, like it's a transparent case, and you can tell what's in there. Not much, nothing is hidden basically. Low energy consumption and low current design makes the battery life longer, environment protection and energy saving. Easy to use, no need for any driver, plug and play directly. Basically this comes with plug and play capability, which is excellent. So now let's open this box and let's see what's inside. And that should do it. Yeah, there we go. This is what the insides look like. I'm going to lift this over here and keep this box away. Yes, this is what the mouse looks like. You have your nano transmitter right here. Let's take it out of this small compartment and keep it here. And there you go. This is your mouse. This here is a warranty card. You can scan this and register your warranty. That's all there is over here. And this here is your Portronics Toad 11 wireless mouse. It's very light. I mean, it feels flimsy, but it's not actually, but it has a very sleek ergonomic design to it. Not very big at all, actually, quite compact. Not as small as, say, some of your other regular mouse that you'll find in the market, but this is definitely very light, compact, and has a nice feel to it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Portronics Toad 11 wireless mouse. Thank you for watching.